For the love of money. Gotta make that money, man. Baby, still the same now. Gotta make that money.
Answer to the question everybody wants to know, LeBron. What's your decision?
In this fall, man, it's very tough. In this fall, I'm going to take my talents to South Beach and join the Miami Heat.
Man, you fucking Heat. I mean, what the fucking conclusion you woke up with this morning, man? I mean, what the fuck? Don't ever come back!
You ruined my luck!
Go to fucking hell, LeBron.
Saudi he leaving.
As you can see, Ronnie, fans are outraged this evening by King James' decision. He's chucking up deuces and fucking with the real ballers. Big ups, LeBron. We still fuck with you.
Cleveland is in an uproar tonight. Many crying, burning their valuable jerseys, and claiming to never support the team again. And now, back to you, Chris.
Thanks, Paula. Now back in College Hill. And he does it. Slam dunk by LeBron James. A sweet finish for Cleveland tonight. He's taking a championship ring home. Oh yeah. Hell yeah! Yeah! Elci, what's up, those guys cheering? Weren't they at the anti-LeBron rally outside the arena? Looks like they traded in to fuck LeBron tees, Holmes. The champ is here! The champ is here!
Woo-hoo! We turned our backs on the wrong king, bro! Back like he never left! Watch the throw!
Made in Ohio, baby! Yeah! Why did this choice result in such hatred, Dudley? Even after he brought Cleveland a championship, some of those idiots still didn't show love. Regardless to what he chose, his choice never changed his abilities. The craft of a creator, such as himself, is heartily welcomed by candid advocates. Surely, we'll see a difference next November.
For the